Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Grove haul. I have been loving the, if you want to call it a service, I don't even call it a service. I just like shopping there for cleaning supplies, and I've also kind of dived into some of their facial products and hair things, which I will get to in just a moment. So as always, I feel like a broken record, but if you want to check out my link down below, there's a 7-piece free gift. I thought it was 5-piece. But if you go on and look, it shows that it gives you 2 extra things. So it's actually 7 free gifts, which is actually a really amazing deal, I think, or at least I think so. And then you just have to spend $20, which they automatically fill your cart. And I didn't know this. One of my other subscribers mentioned this, or someone, I don't even know if they're subscribed to me, but they did comment down below that sometimes they put in your cart automatically like little sample sizes at a discounted price. So look and see what they do load in your cart for you, but you can click those things out of what like you don't want and then just shop normally for like $20 of things that you do want. So yeah, so if you're interested in just like taking a peek to see like what it is and what all you would get, all you have to do is just like put in your email and then you can just go look. You don't, you're not committed to buying anything. You can just have a little look and see. But anyways, okay. So I know the cleaning hauls have been a bit excessive, but I have been loving cleaning lately, and I have been totally in the, like, I don't know, I guess everybody at this time of year is kind of doing like their spring cleaning. I don't know. So I have been all over it, and I also have been loving, like, these are things we would normally buy like at the grocery store, and I would, you know, buy like the laundry detergent and the toilet cleaner and things like that. But I have really been loving the just ordering it from Grove and skipping that step at the grocery store. You know, it's just nice to go in and just get some things. Okay, now I've already hauled this, but I've got this on my coffee table right now, and it smells amazing. It's lemon chamomile. I can't remember who suggested it for me. One of you guys in the comments did, and I love it. It smells so good. I hate the smell of wood cleaner. It just smells like ass to me, honestly. So yeah, I love the smell of that. It smells really good. So let me go ahead and get into one of the things that I was really happy to find on the site. It hasn't been on there for a while, but this is the Grove Essential Oil and Sleep. And I saw this from another YouTuber. And what's in here? Oh, orange oil, tangerine oil, lavender oil, chamomile, ylang ylang, and sandalwood. And I have been dying to try this because I saw another girl talk about it, and I was like, they didn't have it on the site for a long time. I was like, where is it? Or did they discontinue it? But I found it, and it just smells really good. It smells, it's not overly citrus like it suggests. Like it says orange oil, tangerine oil. I don't get that. I get more of like the lavender chamomile, just a hint of sandalwood. The ylang ylang I know is sometimes a little bit potent for people, but this one is actually really good. So super excited to have that in my life. I think that'd be a great bedtime blend. I feel like you always get a pack of these in your order. I think if you are an existing customer, and I think if you still use my link down below, I think you automatically get scrubbers. I'm not sure. I've heard that, but I'm not 100% sure. You might try if you are interested. They have a new Miss Meyers, it's like a hand soap. And they also have a matching lotion, but I just wanted to try the hand soap first to see if I liked it. It's in rainwater. It just sounded really nice to me, especially with all the rain we've been having. So without really having used it, I need to like use it and like suds it up, you know. I really like the scent in here though. It smells just like you would think, like a fresh water sweet type scent. So that's really nice. For some reason I got a free, I don't know, I got this for free, 7th generation laundry stain remover. So I'm gonna try to see how that works. I think I do have something with a stain in it that I can test that out. I wanted to still do a favorites. I haven't done that yet just because I haven't had time, but I really do want to do a favorites at some point. I did grab another pack of these coconut scouring pads. I need to try these because I do have another set, just haven't used them yet. Also, I wanted to grab the geranium dish soap in Miss Meyers. I've trying to find out like what my favorite scent is. I really like the basil, but I want to try these other like floral scents because I do like floral, like a light floral. Now geranium is heavier on floral. I do have the honeysuckle in here too, but I don't think I love geranium. Geranium is a little bit too heavy on the floral for me. I'll have to use it. I'm glad I only got the dish soap and not like the spray or whatever, but yeah, okay. And then I find that I'm going through the fragrance boosters a lot faster than like the laundry detergent. So I grabbed another one of these and the ginger mango. I am loving this scent. The Method laundry detergent, literally, I was a Gain girl. Like all I bought was Gain for like the past year. And honestly, the Method for me is lasting a lot longer than Gain. And Gain is quite expensive as well. Because when I saw the Method price, I was like, oh, that seems kind of expensive. But then I remembered that my Gain is not really cheap either. I used to have to buy a thing of Gain probably every week, every other week. And I would buy the big ones. And this Method laundry detergent, I haven't even made it through one bottle of it yet. However, the fragrance boosters, I have made it through one bottle. So there's that. But I love like the scent. It smells like my laundry smells good. It's not any different than the Gain to me, you know, it's just better. So there's that. Okay, I also wanted to try, since this, I haven't pulled this out of the bag, but I did grab the basil, what is this called? Fabric softener, that's it. I have the laundry detergent and the fragrance boosters, but I don't have the fabric softener. So I wanted to get that so I could, you know, usually when, who is texting me? I should have turned my phone off. Driving me crazy. Okay, here we go. So my daughter actually wanted these and I bought them for her in another Grove order, but I didn't haul them. So this is the shampoo Scalp Relief Tea Tree and Sage Oil. If you use, well, you're supposed to use a clarifying shampoo about every couple of weeks or so just to get the gunk off your scalp. And the conditioner. I have not tried the conditioner, but I can vouch for the shampoo. The shampoo mixed with Jersey Bounce from Lush is freaking amazing. I had a little bit of buildup on my hair and I was like, I need to get something to clarify my hair. I usually buy a little cheap bottle of VO5 that does the same thing, but this, oh my gosh, this mixed with Jersey Bounce. I don't know how, I mean, this would probably do well on its own, but I mixed it with Jersey Bounce because I was trying to use that up. But this is amazing. It smells, it's not offensive. Like you would think tea tree and sage oil sounds weird, but I love this stuff. This is going to be like a staple in my shower from now on. I'm going to keep that in there. I have not tried the shampoo. Interested to see how the shampoo does compared to the, how the conditioner does to the shampoo. But if you have any kind of buildup or like itchy head, or you just need to get like a gunk off your scalp, this is amazing. And it's not like, it doesn't dry out your hair as much as like the VO5 would. So also I got a free hand cream. I'm not sure why. It seems like they're always throwing in free stuff when you order, so I don't know. But it's bergamot orange. Oh, and I have tried that and it smells divine. Okay, so I think that's it in that box. Okay. So somehow I got really lucky and I saw this on the site. They don't have it anymore. I'm not sure why. I don't know if it's coming back or what the deal is, but this is the Caldrea Dahlia Red Currant. And I went ahead and got the dish soap. It was on sale for like $6 something. It's kind of expensive. Like the whole Caldrea line is kind of expensive in general, but I love this scent. Oh man, that smells amazing. They might, I kept seeing it on the site every now and again. So, this is mandarin, blackberry, and apple with spicy notes of peppercorn and red absinthe. The floral tones of dahlia and rose rounded by evergreen and musk will make the season sing. I think maybe this was like a Christmas or something. Maybe fall, I don't know. but it smells amazing. So I went ahead and grabbed I had to grab it from somewhere else, from a different site, but I did grab the countertop spray because I thought the scent sounded really good. So there's that. Thank you to my friend Jen. She is Jen S here on YouTube. I don't know if she has a YouTube channel actually, but her and I have been talking, and she had a free code for a bamboo prep board. So actually I was able to get this for free. I kept seeing this on the site and I was like, you know, I love bamboo boards like this. So, and I need to replace mine. So it's not super huge. I mean, it's kind of small. I don't know if you can kind of see. It's 10 by 7. So it's not super huge, but I got this for free. So you can't really beat that. So thank you, Jen, for sharing the code with me and finding the code and letting me know about it. That was awesome. Okay, so also I wanted to try another of the Caldrea. I got Lavender Cedar Leaf. This just sounded really nice. And so this is a definite lavender scent. I was hoping the cedar and the leaf might come through a little bit more, but it's mostly, it smells like lavender to me. So this is okay. I'll use it for sure. Obviously, I'm not gonna trash it or anything, but yeah. If you like lavender, you'd probably really like that. I'm not sure how I ended up with another pack of these, but there we go. And I did grab the dish soap in Honeysuckle. I wanted to try the Honeysuckle scent to see what that smelled like, and I do like the Honeysuckle scent. It's not floral. Oh gosh, that smells so good. It's like a sweet, oh, that is good. Oh my gosh. Okay, what is in there? Does it say, does it have like a, it says floral scent of honeysuckle. It's not only sweet and pleasant, it's believed to be soothing and cooling. So I don't think of this as a floral scent though. Oh, that smells good. It just smells really fresh and clean. Not floral to me at all. That's why I was kind of scared of this one. I wasn't sure if I wanted to try it. I should have been more scared of the geranium because that's definite floral. But I heard some people saying that they loved that, so. All right. And then I also grabbed another Method Moisturizing Body Wash. Sorry about the Grove sticker there in Olive Leaf. I thought this might smell like the olive branch from Lush. I don't know. I can't really smell it. It's hard to smell out of the thing. I have to get in the shower and use it and give a report back on that, which I will at some point. Okay. Let's go ahead and finish this up. I grabbed another toilet bowl cleaner. I'm loving the Method Anti-Bac Toilet in Spearmint. I just love the smell of spearmint in the bathroom. It just smells really nice. Okay, you guys. I am loving the Aunt Fanny's cleaning vinegars. I love using them everywhere. I know vinegar is an antibacterial, so I feel really good about using vinegar scented things. Even though, okay, so it's not vinegar scented. Well, it is vinegar scented. But to me, the oils that they add, the essential oils that they put in with it, kind of take over once you start like using it. I don't know. You have to kind of like not hate the smell of vinegar to like this, but the lemon oil and then the orange oil, peppermint oil, spearmint oil, I really get a lot of the peppermint coming out. So it's kind of like, you just have to try one. They're not that expensive. I would honestly just try one. This is in the Fresh Lime Mint scent, and I just love it. I love the Aunt Fanny's line. I think it's really, really great. Underrated. I don't see a lot of people hauling it a lot. I grabbed some more of these Miss Meyers Clean Day in the automatic dish packs. I've been using the basil and I really like them. So far I have had no problems. So I went ahead and tried the lemon verbena scent. I do like the lemon verbena scent. And then also they had, I don't know, I think this was some sort of freebie. Like I said, they always have like free stuff. So I got this gel dish soap in lemon, eucalyptus, and mint. It's this huge thing of dish soap. I mean, crap. That is huge. And then they included a dish dispenser, which is actually really, really pretty. I don't know, like it's got that little, I don't know if you can see the symbol on there. It's got a little symbol and then it comes in white. It says Grove Collaborative. It's a glass jar. I like this idea of refilling things in there and just having Like I know on the Miss Meyers things you can buy soap refills, so I might just start trying to do that. That's a really great eco-friendly option. So, and it comes in this super cute, I love how they do these brown things. And I saw on Instagram the other day, somebody was saying don't throw these tops away, because you know how Marie Kondo uses like these really like nice hard boxes. This is a nice hard box. You can use this in, you know, like for organizing if you want to. I think that's a great idea. Also, same with this. Like you could probably put like your, what's tall and like, I don't know. You could probably find a use for this somewhere, I feel like. If I find a use for it, I'll let you know. But I thought the lids were like a really great idea. And then, excuse me. The last thing I have, another one of my favorite YouTubers from This Crazy Life, I think is her name. I always forget her name. It's This Crazy Life, Amanda. She was talking about the eCover dishwasher tablets. I think they come, oh yeah, in citrus is the scent I picked. I feel like they have another scent, but she was saying that she really liked these. So I'm going to try these and see how they do. I remember eCover when I first started getting into green and clean cleaning products. This is one of the scents that like the companies that my local nutrition store had in store. So I went ahead and tried that. Okay, I think that is absolutely everything. Finally. Yeah. I think I got everything on there. So again, if you guys have found anything that you love or that you're absolutely like, that you found that you really like, I really love, so these would be like my favorites. I love this shampoo. I think that works great as a clarifying shampoo, and it's not too harsh, but it totally takes everything off like your scalp. It's amazing. I really love the Aunt Fanny's. That's great. I love all the Miss Meyers stuff. Like that's kind of a given. The Method laundry detergents, love. I have it in the Beach Sage and Ginger Mango favorites. Sorry, my stomach's growling. And I also really like the Grove hand cream. Also, I have the hydrating, what's it called? The hydrating, oh, it's like the sanitizer, hand sanitizer in the blood orange. That is amazing as well. It really does hydrate your hands while, you know, disinfecting them. So love that. Okay, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys so much for supporting me. And I know some of you guys are wax watchers or maybe Lush lovers, because I did do some Lush things, or cleaning, clean with me's. So if you stick around and can get through my Grove hauls, because I know I've been doing a lot of them, but I really do love the company as a whole. So yeah. So as always, if you want to check out the free gifts, just check in the down bar below. I put a link down there. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I always appreciate you guys. Again, if you have any favorite products, please list them down below. And I will talk to you guys later. Okay, bye guys.